In this video, we head back to Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri and check out a double bedroom in the Lodge of Four Seasons Resort. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It'll really help us out and you'll get to see future videos. This room is in the main lodge and is facing the marina side of the building. You can clearly see the lake and has a really great sized balcony. Not all the rooms have this size balcony, but we got lucky and I'm sure you can ask for it. If it's available, I'm sure they would give it to you. Definitely try to get that. If you're interested in seeing more about the lodge and all the property has to offer, we have a longer, more in-depth video previously recorded, and I will link it in the top corner of this video. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a quick tour of the double bedroom available at Lodge of Four Seasons. Please like and subscribe to Reagan Adventures. We would love to bring you more content. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. See you guys later.